Isa sa pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko ay ang pagdating mo. At mas magiging maganda pa lalo kapag nananatili ka sa buhay ko. Sana kahit na may hindi tayo pagkakaintindihan, huwag mo akong iwan. Dahil ako, hindi kita iiwan.
Blessings life can bring, I've always needed something, but I've got all I want and it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. No. You're the hope that moves me to courage again. Oh yeah. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winter rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you. I need you.
I-isin nyo dalawa, G, ano, sana tumagal kayo at dumami ng katas ng iyot niyo sa video ko, ano. Yan mga, yan ay, thank you.
Nagpapasaraw.
Ayan, happy first anniversary, D. Wish ko lang na hindi mo kong lokohin, ayan, kasi malayo tayo sa isa't isa. May tiwala naman ako sa'yo, di ba? Palagi akong sinasabi sa'yo na kung may problema man, sabihin mo sa akin kung anong ugali ko meron, di ba? Ayan, hope na makita-kita tayo sa personal. Alam mo naman, di ba? Sinasabi mo palagi sa akin, mommy naman, duda agad. Siyempre, malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Ayan, ingat ka palagi sa trabaho mo. Ano naman kita. Hope na mahal mo rin ako. Joke lang. Love it. Soon, makita-kita tayo. Happy first anniversary.